guys, thank you guys for tuning in. So today I'm coming to you and we're doing an unboxing of my Ipsy subscription, and also Slaybella came out with a lash box, honey. I'm wearing them right now. Had them on for the last 2 days, but let's get to this Ipsy subscription first, and then I'll go into the Slaybella. So every month, as you know, I've been getting Ipsy for about 1.5 years now, and I just recently upgraded to their Glam Bag Plus plan. Last month was my first box, so this is my second box, and this is what the box looks like. This is a $25 a month subscription. They normally pull out on the first of the month, and you normally get your box 2 to 3 weeks later. For some reason, I always get my box late. Like today, I think today is the 27th, the 26th, and I just got my box yesterday. So ridiculous, right? Ipsy, get it together. If anybody else is getting their box late, please let me know. Comment below, and just let me know, because maybe I shouldn't feel like it's just me. First thing, when you first open it, it says this. And I see I got this Merritt Hydration AHA BHA exfoliating cleanser to reveal smoother, younger looking skin. So this is intensive triple action exfoliator with a property blend of salicylic acid, lactate, and okay. So I'm gonna have to try this out. It's the step 1, it says step 1 cleanse. So I guess there's a whole bunch of steps, but they only send me step 1. The next thing I got is I think this is mascara. By Thrive Cosmetics. It is a liquid lash extension mascara. So this is flake-free liquid fiber technology, combines buildable fibers plus Korean plant extracts for instantly longer, thicker lashes. Orchid stem cell complex stimulates plus encourages lash growth. Okay, so I guess this is the before and after. So I'm gonna have to do a tutorial, you guys, with all of these products like I did last month, and this is in the color Rich Black. All right, so next they sent me some brushes. I got some brushes by this same company, Farah, or Farhara, however you say it. I don't know how you say that name. But they sent me brushes last month, and I used those brushes in my last tutorial, and they worked pretty darn good. They did shed a little bit, but for the most part they were brushes. They're just normal brushes. They seemed a little cheap to me, but whatever. I mean, they're brushes. All right, so in here I got this piece of paper. It says August 2019, Bare Yourself, Ipsy Bare Yourself. Celebrate all of you, play up a signature look, create the unexpected, let natural beauty shine. Your Glam Bag Plus picks will help highlight the beautiful things that make you unique. And it says 3 self-love, 3 Ipsy staffers share their stories. So I got this in my bag. Now they're supposed to send you a list of your stuff that you're supposed to get in here and the retail value, but I didn't get that in my box this month. So I don't know how much any of this stuff is, and I wasn't about to look it up. So yeah. The next thing I got in here is the Balm Cosmetics. I got In the Balm of Your Hand, Greatest Hits Volume 2. I'm guessing this is a makeup and eyeshadow palette. Let's look at these colors, shall we? Oh, okay, I guess it is all about the natural. So this is the palette. These colors are very pretty, warm tone, natural tones. So I am going to have to do a swatch in a tutorial later. Never had the Balm. So if you guys like their products, tell me in the comments below and let me know what you think and what's your favorite product by this company. I've never really heard of them until I got my Ipsy bag, and it was like one of their eyeshadows in there, but I never used it, so yeah, I end up giving it away. Sorry. All right, so the next thing I got in my box, and the last thing I got in my box, is called Silva Beauty Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops. All right, so this is supposed to... Liquid Chrome Illuminating Drops come in a variety of shades, perfect for creating dewy, radiant complexions, extreme highlighting, bronzing, and strobing. Used on both face and body for an all-over glow. Our formulated includes many nourishing ingredients that are good for your delicate skin. It is enriched with pomegranate extract, vitamin E, and natural emollients. Okay, so I guess it's just a chrome, and this is in the shade Trust Fund. Let's open this up. I want to see what this looks like. Oh. Okay. Well, I mean, it's a little bit too late to be getting, you know, something like this, because it's about to be fall here where I'm at. And yeah, so if it was like the summertime, then I could have used this, but Ipsy, you're a little bit behind. But that's all I got in my Ipsy bag for, well, Ipsy box this month. Ipsy is coming out with a ultimate box. It starts in October. It'll be $50. You get a total of 8 products. And 11 products. 8 products will be full size, and then 4 products will be deluxe sizes. It's $50, and it started in October. If you want, I will have the Ipsy link below, and you can sign up yourself for the subscription, or you can sign up through my link, and then go from there. So the next part of this video is going to be about Slaybella. Slaybella, I found off of Instagram. They reached out to me, and of course I was like, sure, let me give their stuff a try. So the first thing I bought off of them was some eyeshadow brushes, sorry. And the eyeshadow brushes I like very much, but they look like, they seem cheap to me. They're not very heavy, but they do compact a lot of shadow on the brushes, so I don't have to dip as often in the palette. They pick up very well, let me just say that much. But I mean, they're brushes. I mean, I can use them. I don't have a hard time using them like I do some of my Sonia Kabuki brushes, Kaboko, or however you say it, her name. I have a hard time using her brushes, but these Slaybella brushes I don't have a problem with. So they sent me a code and told me that they were coming out with a lash box. So I was like, hey, lashes, okay, a girl can never go wrong with some lashes. So I was like, let me order them, and they did send me a discount code, so I will link the discount code, put the link with the lashes, and I will have the discount code attached to it, so you guys can go on the website and purchase whatever you want, and you can just use my discount code for 20% off of each item of your whole total. I think it's the whole total. Their stuff is not very expensive. This lash box, I believe, is $20. It comes like this. It comes with 3 pairs of lashes. I have one on right now. It comes with 3 lashes, 3 mink hand made lashes, and it also comes with a little tool. Now, for instance, I didn't know how to use this because I've always just used my hand putting on my lashes, but this thing right here is a game changer, okay? Like, I can get like seriously really close, and with my lashes, so that I can get like them on correctly. Like, when I do it with my hand, I have to, you know, rearrange, take it off and put it back. This, honey, I slap that glue on there, wait till it dry a little bit, and bloop, right on. The band is thick, so I like me personally, I like bands that are thick on eyelashes because I feel like I can control them a lot more better. And with me not being able to see, I can see where the placement is with the thicker band. If it's thinner, I can't see that. So, you know, I can manipulate it with a thicker band. Some people, they may not like thicker bands, but I do. So hit them up, check them out, hit them up on Instagram, go check out their website. They have makeup palettes on there, they have brushes, they have lashes now. And comment below and let me know what you guys think. If you did purchase any of the products, if you had a bad review or you felt good about something that you bought, let me know so that way I can know what you guys like, okay? So thank you guys for tuning in once again for my unveiling for the month, and we will see you next month. Bye.